Winches and winch lines play a significant role across a variety of industries. They're often used in applications for towing and recovery, transportation, agriculture, and construction. This ZIPS 360 aims to help you make an informed decision when purchasing your first or replacement winch line. Let's briefly cover each of the 5 types of winch lines that ZIPS AW Direct has available. Those being synthetic rope, fiber core wire rope, steel core wire rope, super swedged wire rope, and super flex wire rope. Gaining in popularity, let's start with the synthetic winch line. This braided fiber rope has been around for decades with a proven track record. Producing a maximum strength to weight ratio, synthetic ropes are equally as strong in pulling capacity, but up to 8 times lighter than steel, and don't store as much energy under load. This lightweight rope can be handled without gloves because there aren't any sharp burrs to worry about, and it won't twist like steel. Synthetic winch line is most notably resistant to corrosion, chemicals, and sun damage. Available in a variety of colors, you can even make repairs in the field if needed. Moving on to the steel winch line varieties, there are several types to consider. Made from extra improved plow steel, fiber core wire rope ensures a longer lifespan by excreting lubricant under pressure to minimize wear and corrosion on the wire. The fiber core also offers higher flexibility compared to its steel counterparts. Next, steel core wire rope is also made with extra improved plow steel, which provides superior strength and flexibility. Not as flexible as the fiber core, but the steel core offers greater crush resistance and a higher nominal strength. Moving on to another type of winch line called super swedged wire rope. Through a process of swedging, the wire rope is compressed down to the next size smaller. As a result, the outer wires have a larger surface area, but the working load limit remains the same as the original diameter. This compact design offers greater strength than standard winch lines of the same size. Although less flexible, they also provide better resistance to abrasion, kinking, and drum crushing. The last type of steel winch line to review is the super flex wire rope. This type of winch line offers better performance and increased longevity by containing more wires within a given diameter. This results in less fatigue and makes the line more resistant to wear and tear. Regardless of the type you choose, all of our replacement winch lines include attachment hardware. But if you need to replace a single hook, thimble, clip, or socket, we have the parts you need in our winch lines and hardware department on zips.com. Before you order, make sure you double-check your winch's owner's manual or its identification plate to ensure you acquire the correct wire rope size, as it is recommended to follow the manufacturer's required diameter and lengths. In the towing and recovery industry, 3/8 inch rope is typically used for automotive car carriers. Medium-duty tow trucks often use 7/16 inch, ½ inch, or 9/16 inch rope. And heavy-duty tow trucks could have 5/8 inch, 3/4 inch, or 7/8 inch rope. An accurate way to determine the size of a wire rope is by measuring the distance between the outside edges of the 2 opposite bundles. One way to do this is by slipping a wrench over the cable. Be sure to measure the distance between the outside edges of the 2 opposite bundles, not the distance between the flat sides. The last thing you need to do before making an official decision is to consider the appropriate working load limit for your winch and recovery efforts. Winch lines are rated by size capacity and minimum braking strength. The working load limit is determined by a safety factor of that minimum braking strength. Therefore, a 3-to-1 safety factor means the minimum braking strength is 3 times the working load limit. Hopefully this was informative and serves as a useful guide as you shop for new or replacement winch lines. Whether it's synthetic, fiber core, steel core, super swedged, or super flex wire rope, you can find everything you need by shopping winch lines and hardware on zips.com.